approach this duck. We're actually going to move into that black creature over there. Like, yeah. It looks like a black bird.
That's a big black bird. There's a crow. There's a mommy duck right there.
Yeah.
I thought we were filming with the mussels, but we didn't get them. I forgot to hit the button. There's the mom duck. There's the mommy duck. It's alright. It's alright. I think that's a crow on the shore right there.
Wow, that's a big bird.
Yeah, it's a crow.
That sounds like a crow.
Call like a crow too.
Over there, as you can see on those stumps at Spencer's Marina, you can see some birds. What?
Look at those on the stumps.
I know, that's what I'm saying. That looks like... Don't you dare.
What the heck are they? Oh, those are geese?
Yeah. That looks... That is...
I think that's a crow.
Those are huge birds.
That's a huge crow. That's not a huge crow, but I almost positive that's a crow. Those must be geese over there.
Yeah.
Oh, listen to him.
That sounds like a crow too.
Yeah, he's got that. Here. Let's see what he's
Look at that. Our hawk's bigger.
He had that classic. He had that classic crow.
Please don't tell.
Oh look! Now we have the opportunity that we're going to head back towards the nest very slowly. And you see right now.
As you guys can see
we have
on the
birds
nature.
back in the osprey nest.
Yes, we have both birds in the osprey nest.
Try to be close to the front to make sure that you're trying not to get back in the picture and get to the picture with the birds.
As you guys can see, it's a beautiful day out today. Actually, we just got done filming like 10 minutes ago, filming a video on this.
Keep a close eye on that nest.
Keep a close eye.
Close eye on that nest.
It's hand. You should zoom in the hands.
The opportunity right now, I think the male will take off prior to us getting there now. The thing is, right now, we got...
It can see us right now.
Oh yes, of course it can.
Maybe a little further away this time. And, yeah, as you can see the clouds. Tell me in the comments below what you think some of those clouds look like. Just do cloud and there's two dots and then what it looks like. Make sure to like and subscribe too. Hit that little bell.
Eye on that nest.
Yes.
Close eye on that nest.
Yeah, we have a sponsor. It's
We
just
only have a short period of time before you can actually keep close eye on the nest because we only have a short period of time if we actually can film the nest.
yeah, we have a sponsor. It's the like button and the subscribe button. They're sponsoring us, right?
Yeah.
Shh, guys, don't make a noise.
On the nest.
Look at them. Oh, that's cool. Any second now we might take off. Okay guys, if you can see these things. Also guys, you are much farther. Your guys' view is much farther than we actually are. We're like 20 feet away from them right now.
Right now we're probably about 30 feet away right now. But either way though, we're not getting closer than this.
Yeah, when we go up here.
Like this is not like opportunity. Look at this. Just relax right here. Sit here. Oh, look at that
There's the
fish.
father. You guys can see there's a fish in its hands. And it doesn't seem like the mother is gonna take off right now. Because she's guarding her mamas. These.
Here he comes. He's flying back.
Please come. Oh.
I'm thinking we should probably leave them alone for now. What do you think?
Yeah, we should.
So remember,
Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And we have a sponsor today, right? The
Yep.
like and subscribe button.
yep, and also tell your friends about us. Because
Yeah.
trust me,
Make sure to share this video too. Not a lot of YouTubers say that, but share this.
share this video, get it out there, and we will be posting more of this.
Try to get this to like, I don't know.
South Jersey often gets a negative.
Also, guys, we're planning on filming gaming videos.
We're also going to have that. As I said, we're going to be a hodgepodge of all different kinds of crazy.
Yeah, we're gonna do
But listen,
vlogs. We're not gonna have a main thing. We're not gonna just do vlogging. We're not just gonna do gaming. We're doing both, and we're gonna mash some other things in there.
You just never know what you're going to
Maybe some
get
nature.
on that
Yeah.
cheese.
Yeah, like right now we're doing nature.
Never know. So, hope everyone else having a wonderful Father's Day,
My back's hurt.
and thank you for watching.
Yeah.